Hello everybody, what's up and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Shruti and I make videos related to curly hair, beauty, fashion and lifestyle. If you like what you're seeing so far, then make sure you go ahead and subscribe to this channel because it's free and why not. Today's video is going to be another Amazon haul, but this time I've shopped for makeup. I shopped for around 6,000. I've got a bunch of stuff. Some of them are hit, some of them are miss. And if you want to know what are those, then definitely keep on watching till the end and let's get started. So the first thing I got is Rose Water Toner by The Natural Wash. If you have seen my previous skincare videos, then you would know that I absolutely love this toner. The fragrance of rose in this is so real, it's mesmerizing. Also, it sprays very fine mist of rose water on your face. It's very refreshing. I love it, so I would highly recommend trying it out. Wait till it dries, and the next thing I got is a sunscreen by the brand Neutrogena. It's their Ultra Sheer Dry Touch Sunblock with SPF 50. We all know sunscreen is very important in all weather, but especially now that the summer is here, please wear sunscreen whenever you're stepping out. When I applied it, I was a little scared that it's gonna leave that white cast, which I absolutely hate. But as you can see clearly, it just vanishes into the skin and gives a very beautiful dewy look, which I love. No white cast at all, and it blends well with makeup also. So big thumbs up. I did my base off camera as I didn't get any new product for it. And for concealer, I bought LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Porcelain. Again, something that I absolutely love. I actually lost this concealer, so I repurchased it, and you just need a little bit of it and it covers and blends very well into the skin. Next, I got Calabar Flawless Airbrush Finish Loose Powder in the shade Beige Fair. I actually wanted to get Fit Me Loose Powder, but I'm not able to get my shade anywhere. So I bought this after reading all the reviews on Amazon and I really liked it. I actually used this on my wedding day as well. So applying it near the under eye to set the concealer, and whatever is remaining on the brush, I'm just brushing it all over my face. I don't use a lot of powder on my face because my skin is naturally very dry, so it sets everything automatically. Next, I got Sugar Face Palette Contour the Force in the shade 01 Subtle Submit, and this is how it looks like. It has a blush, contour and highlighter. I'm going to pick up the blush shade first, and as the name suggests, it's really subtle to a point that you won't see it at all on your face. After multiple tries, I was finally able to get some pigmentation. I have one more face palette by Sugar in the shade 03 Fierce Feet. That one is much better, so go for that. Moving on to the bronzer now. Again, it's very subtle. I wish it was more pigmented. Applied it on my cheekbone and some on my forehead to add warmth. The highlighter is much better compared to the previous two. It gives a nice glow. I like it. Next, I got Swiss Beauty eyeshadow palette in the shade 04 because I love the warm color palette on this. It's so pretty. This is how the colors look like. I think for the price, this is really good budget friendly option, and the pigmentation is good as well. This is how the swatches look on my hand. I'm gonna pick this orange shade and apply it all over my lid. I just want to check if there is any fallout, and trust me, there was none. I applied some eyeliner off camera and this is how the eyes look. To finish it off, next I got Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara, and this is how the wand looks like. To be honest, I didn't like it. There are much better ones out there in the market. I didn't like the wand and the way it coats my lashes, so it's a nah from my end. Next up, I got Daughter Earth Lip and Cheek Tint in the shade Rouge Rose, and it's such an amazing product. This is how the shade looks like, and the pigmentation is amazing. I have not stopped using it ever since. This is definitely not a lip balm, so moisturize your lips before. It's not drying on your lips, but it doesn't moisturize either. I would highly recommend trying it out as it's an amazing product. You just need a tiny amount on your lips and cheek and you're good to go. You can definitely use it on your lid as well to create a monochromatic look. I got one more lip and cheek tint from them in the shade Original Pink, and this is such a pretty everyday shade. I love this. I definitely want to try more shades from them. Next, to set everything, I got Miss Claire Dewy Finish Setting Spray. I have used it a few times now and I really like it. It definitely sets dewy and helps your makeup to last longer. I also got Wet n Wild Natural Finish Setting Spray. This is good as well. Next, I got these set of 4 face brushes. I usually get comments on my makeup videos to talk about the brushes I use, and I usually get them from Amazon, so these are the ones. This is how the brush looks like, and it's really soft as well. And the last thing I got is a body wash from Pierce. It's their aloe vera variant. I love fresh scented body wash, and this is a good one. I really like it. So that's it for today's video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button. I've kept this video pretty short, to the point and crisp. Let me know if you like long haul videos or short. I'll film according to that. And yeah, let me know in the comments down below what video do you want me to film next. I know you guys are gonna comment episode 2 of the curry phase. Trust me, it's coming soon, but a lot is happening in my life, which again you will get to know soon. But for now, that's it for today's video. I'll see you guys in my next video. And the comment shout out goes to Pallavi NM. Pallavi, thank you for your comment. It really means a lot. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
I had a dream, we were sipping whiskey neat. I used to flow with the Bowery when I was high enough.
Spider-Man's control and Batman with his fist. And clearly I don't see myself upon that list.